Report into deadly train crash highlights, unprofessional, worksites. The unprofessional worksite practices and unclear contract stipulations were among a number of failures surrounding a train crash that killed 49 and injured 213 in April last year, the Taiwan Transportation Safety Board said Tuesday. According to the report, the derailment involved a series of unprofessional worksite practices, many of which were not clearly addressed in the contracts between the TRA and its contractors. In addition, the report advised that the TRA provide comprehensive training on how construction affects the safety of train operations to TRA contractors and auditors. Also attending the press conference, family members of the victims asked the government to establish a committee to follow up on how TTSB's recommendations are implemented so that the report does not end up being empty words.
Unprofessional. Unprofessional.
不专业的，违反专业规范行为的
Practice. Practice.
惯例做法、实施、练习
Stipulation. Stipulation.
规范、明确的规定
Contractor. Contractor.
承包商、承造、施工的厂商
Comprehensive. Comprehensive.
完整的、全面的、综合的
Implement. Implement.
实施、执行、某法令、规定